How does nut allergy testing work? Imagine trying to figure out if certain foods are safe for you or not. That's what nut allergy testing helps with. It's a way to find out if your immune system reacts to nuts like peanuts or tree nuts. Knowing this helps you make smarter food choices and avoid serious reactions. The most common tests start with the skin. A healthcare provider will take tiny amounts of nut allergens and prick them into your skin, usually on your forearm or back. If you're allergic, a small raised bump or red spot will appear within 15 to 30 minutes. This test is very sensitive, so it's good at catching true allergies. But sometimes it can show a positive result even if you're not actually allergic. That's called a false positive. So a positive skin prick test means more testing might be needed. Another way to test is through a blood sample. The lab measures the level of specific antibodies called immunoglobulin E, or Ig, in your blood. Higher levels often suggest an allergy. Some advanced blood tests look at Ig antibodies against specific parts of the nut proteins. This helps tell if your body is truly allergic or if it's just reacting to similar foods. These tests are more precise and can reduce the chance of false alarms. There's also a newer test called the Basophil Activation Test. It checks how certain immune cells react when exposed to nut allergens in a lab. If the cells activate, it indicates a true allergy. This test is very specific and helps confirm whether you are allergic or not, especially when other tests aren't clear. The most definitive test is called the oral food challenge. Under medical supervision, you eat small amounts of the nut, gradually increasing the dose. Doctors watch closely for any signs of an allergic reaction. This test is very accurate but takes time and can be risky because it might trigger a severe reaction. That's why it's only done when other tests don't give a clear answer. Recent advances include tests that analyze specific parts of the nut proteins, called epitopes. These can predict peanut allergies with over 90% accuracy. They help avoid false positives and negatives, making diagnosis more reliable without needing to do the oral challenge every time. Getting the right diagnosis is important for safe eating. It helps you avoid nuts that could cause harm while still enjoying a diet rich in healthy, allergy-friendly foods. Usually, doctors combine different tests to get the clearest picture. Starting with skin prick or blood tests, then possibly adding more detailed diagnostics or the oral food challenge if needed. Knowing how each test works helps you and your healthcare provider decide the best way to manage your nut allergies and stay safe while eating well.